name is Pooja Vijay Ghorpade. My subject name is Big Data Management. I am presenting the points. Those are introduction to HBase, storage mechanism in HBase, and difference between the HDFS and HBase. First is the introduction to HBase. HBase is an open source non-relational distributed database model after Google's Bigtable and written in the Java. It is developed as a part of Apache Software Foundation. It is the sorted map data built on Hadoop. It is column oriented and horizontally scalable. And next is it is designed to run on the cluster of the computers built using the immediately hardware. Next is the storage mechanism in HBase. HBase is the column-oriented NoSQL database where data is stored in the table. In HBase, table are sorted by its ROID, as shown in the below diagram. The HBase table schema defines only the column families, which contains key value pairs. A table can have the multiple column families, and each column family can have any number of the columns. In this case, column value are stored continuously on the disk. Each cell value of the table has a timestamp, that is a digital record of the time occurrence of the particular event. This is the diagram. Next is the HBase table has the following components like first is the table, it is the collection of the rows. Next is the rows, it is the collection of the column families. Next is the column family, it is the collection of the column. Next is the column, it is the collection of the key value pair. Next is the timestamp, it is the combination of the date and time. This makes easy to search for the particular version of the data. This is the HBase is similar to the relational database. It contains rows and columns, but it is not a relational database. Next is the difference between HDFS and HBase. First is the HDFS. HDFS is a Java-based file system utilized for the storing large data set. HBase is the Java-based not only SQL database. Next is the HDFS has a rigid architecture that does not allow the changes. It doesn't facilitate dynamic storage, and HBase allows for the dynamic changes and can be utilized for the standalone application. Next is the HDFS is the ideally suited for write once and read many times use cases, and HBase is the ideally suited for random write and read of the data that is stored in the HDFS. Thank you.